Hey guys, it's me, Rollin. It's my second video. This is gonna be my video about a fidget spinner and my gumball machine. Guys, let me show you my gumball machine.
On this tablet, it's gonna be my channel because yours is on the black phone, Phillips is on the red phone. So this one.
Hold on, guys, just adjusting.
Bun Squish.
Guys, well, anyway, guys, here's my gumball machine. You see, there's a little tab thingy. The coin slot thingy is here. If I fold it, here's where the coins come out of, and here's a view of it. 25 cents. See, guys? And guys, let me show you my fidget spinner. And guys, by the way, this actually thing, I'm gonna start with gumball machine business soon. But anyway, here's my fidget spinner.
Hi.
Hold on, guys, that's my little sister in the back one. Oh, here's my fidget spinner, guys. See, guys? Well, anyway, wait, hold on, guys. Just adjusting the. Oh man, how do you adjust this camera? It's not working. Oh, guys, I'm afraid the camera isn't good. Hold on, guys, I'll try the. Oh, okay. Well, anyway, guys, that's it for tonight, because it's nighttime. Well, anyway, see you later. Bye.
Can I see?
Hold on.